gym, tan, laundry. So we got a tan yesterday. It was super sunny. Done the laundry. We're good to go. Now we got to handle the gym part. And that's what we're going to do today is we are going to build a gym. All right here. This whole corner right here from this wall to the trampoline is going to be a gym. At least that's the plan. A workout area, a recovery area, a spot for me to foam roll, lift some weights, get on a bike, just get in shape. I gotta get my body like, I'm an athlete. I need to treat my body like an athlete. I need to get on that grind. I turned 30 and I feel like taking care of the body recovery, being in shape. Those are just some of the things I've neglected in my snowboard career. And we're gonna fix that. And that all starts with creating a gym. So let's get to it. No lifting.
So cool, it's so.
You got that, dude?
No.
Yeah, you do. Muscles roaming. Okay, so the wall is now cleaned off. So all we have to do now is just move this light a little bit more into this area because I want it to be more above the gym, but also I want to utilize it for when we turn this into the waxing station, which will be another video in itself. But while we were doing all this and Roman's sweeping the wall, we got a package. You want to see what's in the package?
Yeah.
Okay, because it's for you.
Oh, me?
You want me to hold that, babe?
All right, let's see what this is. I know what it is.
Oh, the bubble wrap.
It is bubble
And
wrap.
then it's in the moon.
You ready? You ready?
What is? I got that.
What is it?
Roman sticker.
The Roman sticker.
Yeah.
This is the first look at the Roman Wiggle Wiggle sticker. Wiggle Wiggle. Is it cool?
You put that on my snowball.
You want to put that on your snowboard? All
Yeah.
right, let's do it.
A little big.
It's a little big, like right here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Roman wiggle wiggle sticker.
Roman Wiggle Wiggle sticker. All right, guys, so these are available if you want to get a Roman Wiggle Wiggle sticker, or obviously any of the Evolution merch. But 100% of the Roman Wiggle Wiggle stickers and the Lego Evolution sticker we have, if you purchase those, 100% of that money goes to his college fund. Like, I don't profit off my son. I take that money and I put it into his college fund. So if you do want the Roman Wiggle Wiggle sticker, it is now available. All right, the light is moved. And more in a spot in which we want it, and now we gotta put it on the floor. So, floor time. Okay, so this is just a temporary, like, carpet, whatever, rug. It's just more meant so when we put these squares down, that it's a little softer. It's not straight cement floor, and also that just help with like the cleanliness, so like dirt and stuff isn't falling or coming up from the bottom. So we got these squares off of Amazon. They're linked in the description. They're actually pretty affordable, but it's like a little gym floor, and now we're gonna build it. That's a good amount of space. I don't remember the total size or whatever it was, but for where you're working out, like that's all you need for our home gym. Now the wall doesn't look the best. and we thought about maybe painting it, but then we didn't want to do that. So we have an idea of how to make it look a little better, and let's start with that. You didn't know we have tapestries. Because the wall's so ugly, we figured, why don't we just throw that up there? But if you want a tapestry, that's linked down below in the Teespring store. You can get something like that. I don't know if it'll stay up there, but for now, it's going there. Okay, so we did get some equipment for here. We got a bench and some weights, and we got a bike. So let's start putting all the equipment together, because it's shaping up. It's starting to look like a gym. I don't think this will take long, but hopefully it doesn't. So we're just gonna, here, we'll just speed it up with like this. Oh, that was easy. What do you think of the bench?
Yeah, I think I put this on.
Yeah, you do use those on the bench. All right, let's put this bench where we want it. So you're telling me that that's a bed?
Yeah.
You're gonna sleep there?
Yeah.
Is it comfy?
Yeah.
It looks comfy. Alright, so the gym's coming together. It's looking good. We got stuff hanging on the wall. We got power now. And then the last thing we gotta do is build the Schwinn 170 bike. That's all I know it looks like right there. Wham, we got this 50% off. So we were like, we gotta snag that. And I have a bad knee right now, and so we figured biking would be best for my knee. So let's build this guy. This doesn't look that hard, not too many pieces. Hopefully we don't mess it up.
Help me dog get tools.
We got the tools. They're in the back. All right, so we built the whole bike. It's looking good. Actually, I'm going, yeah, here. Oh yeah, guys, here we go. This thing's fancy. Like I said, we bought it with just a box, just knowing it was 50% off. It was a sick bike. We assumed. Thing's got Bluetooth. It's also got a USB connector, a phone holder. You want to try it? I'll let you try it in a second. And yeah, I got to put like my whole own user stuff in there, my weight and stuff. So hopefully that works out. But yeah, we got treadmill, then the bike, get some cardio in, especially during the winter time. It's gonna be great for us, and I'm really excited. This gym is like coming together. Bobby's hyped on the bike too, but yeah, here it is. This is the gym. It's looking good. It's got everything we need for the most part. We need more weights, and we need a bench. But I'm excited. I feel like we're gonna be able to get some work done, some recovery, and no excuses now. You know, it's like, okay, we have everything we need. We made that financial investment to get the gym up and running, and here it is. Team Buckhouse Gym. Let's get it rolling now. Next project. Oh wait, I got one more thing to show you.
What's that?
I got bamboozled by Instagram. An Instagram product caught my attention, and I thought it would be worth snagging for the gym. So comment down below if you saw this on Instagram. But like every color is a different type of push-up. So you got like this push-up right here, that push-up, and so the idea is it just helps you with your push-up placements. So you put your hands in the right spot. So this is like your shoulders are right here, and then your triceps would be, this is a tricep workout right here. And then if you want to do a different tricep, this is still a tricep workout right here. And so push-ups are a lot of what we'll be doing, because I'm not trying to have a ton of weight in here. I'd love to just be able to use my own body weight, and yeah, just figuring it all out. But yeah, Team Buckhouse, this is the gym. What I was gonna say is the next project is this right here. This will be the wax station. Right now it's kind of just a little storage station and kind of a mess. Oh, you doing it? Get it, dude. Get it. So this will be the wax station, and then this will be my tool station, my tool setup. So we got wax, tool, gym, Roman training facility, storage, and then we fully maximized this garage, which I'm super excited about. We could have put a car in here, but we were like, why put a car in here if we can just get more space, more bang for our buck? No, 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 no. Ugh. I need these. Don't touch. Having a little kid. But dude, even just like looking out this window and seeing the camper, which takes, that's all you see is the camper. That to me, that's just a sign of the hard work and everything. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget you can snag any of the merch. I know this is just like, I have no idea how this turned out. This is not a normal video for me, but this took all day for the most part. We did a little bit of other stuff, but yeah, this took like all day to do. Building all the equipment, cleaning the stuff out, keeping it clean. And with that, Team Buckhouse, your boy's gonna get ripped. This dad bod's going away. Dad of 2, but I'm gonna be looking like I ain't a dad at all. Right, babe?
It's cool.
She's so excited about the bike. Also, Bobby having her second baby, she's gonna want to get in here and get back to pre-baby weight. So Bobby now has the one thing that she's always wanted in life. So it's kind of for me, it's more for her.
Daddy, I want that one.
Okay.
Turn it on.
Alright, little dude wants to work out. So with that, Team Buckhouse, thank you so much for building a gym with me. We'll get some gym montages once I feel confident with my workouts. Maybe I can help you guys too with what I figure out for my training to help you guys. And you said put it to what?
Just press start and it should just...
Alright, there you go, bud. If you are sad you didn't see any snowboarding, you want a video that's not just kind of like a building a gym video, there's a resort review right here. Check that one out. And then I did make a pretty sick vlog explaining why I don't snowboard with any music. If you're interested in why I don't like to ride with music, check that video out right there. Those 2 videos will definitely get your fill for snowboarding. And with that, Team Buckhouse, thank you so much for building this with me. And as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving. We'll see you guys tomorrow with another snowboard video.
I'm on top of the ocean, living like life ain't frozen, feeling my feet been chosen for something other than motion, yeah. Mama told me I'ma be somebody, I ain't never gonna need nobody, no, no, I ain't never gonna need nobody, no.